Incremental ratings. Now, I have the absolute minimum template principle. I have taken it to the extreme. One template for articles, topics, and one template for items, and that's it. And they look the same. Well, it looks slightly different because this is an HTML component, and the item is plain text, so it's the exact same background color. End of the story. So now, if I want, let's say that after it's dark at night, now where I live, it's about 10 something p.m. is when it becomes dark. Not full pitch black yet. It needs more time. I can do it really quick. So it's as easy as this. I will do it live. I go to Window, Themes. I go to the one I was using, this one. Okay, but wait, I still need to check the templates. Yes, color, black. Okay, now, I mean, that perhaps will be okay. So almost everything is black. But if I really want, I'm not using fonts. I'm not styling. So what I need is to edit the defaults. So in case I want fonts, it's using the toolkit, options, fonts. I go question and answer. I change black for white. Answer font, the same. And what I'm doing now, I can make an auto hotkey script if I wanted to. So you can switch quickly to dark mode or the other way around to light mode. Now let's see. Cool, now it's white. Oh, yeah, the background color. Now I'm doing pitch black. Bada-ba-boom. And now I only need, that's the item template. But because I use plain text, I don't need to change any CSS because there's no CSS styling applied here. So I did 50% already. Now the template for topics. Color, black, that is only the background. And one extra step, that's the most complicated one. Text style edit, in this case would be Supermemo CSS. And in the body, I change, it's a shade of gray. So for convenience, I will do the inverse. I use A1, A1, A1. In this case, I delete the A and I put it at the end, and it will be the opposite color already. Bada-boom. But hey, I didn't change the color of the text. It's 222. The opposite would be DDD. The zoom is 16, and you use letters for that. And here you go. So even if I do it manually, and I know how to do it, it will take me a minute. So I could switch to dark mode and light mode. And just to prove this, I will not speak, so I don't slow down. I will do the same back to light mode, and let's see how much time it takes me. So that's it. Done. Everything is in light mode. All of my topics are using the same template on all of my items as well. So here you go. So even manually, you can quickly change the dark mode as long or as a side effect of the convenience to use the absolute minimum template principle. It's a perk you get. And I'm pretty sure I will do it just for fun once I have time. And with AutoHotkey, I think that can be set really quick. You will need to sleep in between sleep cycles and so on. So yeah, nothing more to add today, and see you incrementally.